Hello and welcome to the unboxing, or should I say the unpacking of the Zebronics ZEB-90HB USB hub. This is a transparent pack. You can see what this particular hub looks like. We will quickly take a look at if we can find any other information. Not much, but you can see that there are 4 ports over here, and there is a USB-A jack on the other end. Let's just open this and show you what it looks like. Okay, there's some extra information on this side of the cover. Over here it's written USB 2.0, 4 ports, there's a 50 centimeter cable and plug and play configuration. So all you have to do is plug it to a laptop and you're good to go. This particular cable is 50 centimeter long. This cable is 50 centimeter long, which is basically half a meter, and there is a USB-A connector on the other end. This is of course the hub, the Zebronics ZEB-90HB USB hub. There are 4 ports here. So this is port number 1, USB-A port number 1, and these are ports number 2, 3 and 4. And that's it. This is what you find inside the pack containing the Zebronics ZEB-90HB USB hub. Thank you for watching.